Hey, ready? Yeah. Finally cleaned up the snow. Man, we really got a lot of it. Look at my beautiful little. Not sure if you can see. I can't see on my screen. Yeah, pretty awesome, eh? It's a little a little road going to the house. Oh man. Let me just sit down a little moment and enjoy this. Yeah, pretty awesome, eh? Yeah, we did get a lot of snow. And you know, when it really winds like it was, the snow gets like ultra compacted, and it's really hard to shovel first. Even the snow blower doesn't is not able to actually bite in it. So anyway, let's go see what it looks behind the house. Yeah, eh? Yeah, there's a lot of snow. The sound of walking in snow. Yeah, Cookie. Oh! Yeah, there's still quite a lot. Oh, look at that beautiful bump I got on my porch. That I'm gonna have to clean up. Yeah, not sure if you can see over the cedar edge over there. Yeah, I'm not gonna be gardening for a little while yet. At least it's not cold. As you can see, I worked up quite a sweat, and also all the snow that the snow blower was spewing on me. Oh yeah, and the best part, there's another snowstorm coming tomorrow night. It's pretty awesome, eh? Yeah, so I guess I'll make another video of that snowstorm, you know. Might as well have fun with the snow, since, you know, we're stuck with it. And here's Cookie again. It's time to go back in the house and relax a little bit with a good cup of coffee. Look at that grass. Yeah, they built a new I guess supermarket right over there, and it really did shift the winds. So yeah, don't get much snow like on the just by the road, but I do get this big hump that I'm standing in. And this is mostly because of the house there, and my little tree is there. Alright, so enough blah blah blah. I guess I'll see you, well, tomorrow night in the storm.